Hey everybody, this is Modern Refugee. I'm going to take a little bit of time today to show you guys a cooking technique called a haybox. And basically all that is it's a dish that you start cooking in a Dutch oven, either on a camp stove or on an open fire like I got here. And then you transfer that into a box lined with either straw or hay. And that holds the heat in, and it finishes the cooking process. And in turn, it helps you conserve your firewood or fuel, whatever it is that you happen to be cooking with. Anyway, I'm going to show you a little bit here how I put my beef roast together, and I'm going to show you what the haybox looks like. And here is our chuck roast. I started with about a 2.5 pound chuck roast that was browned in about 3 tablespoons of olive oil with a couple cloves of garlic. All I seasoned it with was some Lowry seasoned salt and some black pepper. I've now added a carton of beef broth. You could certainly use a dry beef broth like a French onion soup mix and some water as well. And I added my secret ingredient for pot roast, which is about 3, maybe 4 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. Now I'm going to cover this and just let this simmer for about an hour, hour and a half, and then we're going to get ready to transfer it over into the hay box and add our vegetables into it. All right, everything's been cooking now about 2 hours. I just added the vegetables in. I'll show you a little bit here what it looks like. I added in red potatoes that we dug today, a couple of green onions, and then I took some green beans with some dill and some thyme, and I put them in a little bit of cheesecloth to hold them all together. We'll close this back up, lift it off the fire now, and now I'm going to bring it over here and set it into my hay box. And this is just a dry straw that I have here that's not quite ready to go to compost yet. I'm going to take more hay or straw. I'm going to pack this in the top of the box, just like so, and just cover it up with a blanket. And that residual heat that's in there is going to finish the cooking. Now this is a box here that's got slats in it, but it's summertime and it's warm. If I was going to do this in the winter time, I'd probably either line this box with cardboard, or I'd go ahead and use a solid box, and then I would move this inside to finish cooking. But because it's summer and it's warm out, this will be fine to finish this. So I'm going to cover this up, let this set another hour, maybe hour and a half, and the residual heat in there is going to finish cooking our roast and our vegetables. Alright, about an hour and a half has elapsed. That's about how long that this was in the hay box. Just an hour and a half's worth of firewood that I didn't have to burn. The residual heat finished cooking my vegetables and finished cooking the roast. I got a little bit plated up here, show you a little bit how tender it is. You can see here the beef just falls apart. The beans are nice and done, and of course the potatoes are fork tender. So just a kind of an old school way here to conserve fuel, or like we did today, cook outside on a hot day so we didn't have the heat of making a roast inside the house, and did it off-grid style with just the Dutch oven, firewood, and the hay box. Anyway, this is Modern Refugee. I appreciate all my subscribers out there. Hope you guys are getting a little information and a little entertainment out of my videos, and you guys have a great day.